So here we go folks, long awaited, welcome aboard and welcome along to Plopsaland, Belgium, not Plopsaland, Japan anymore, for the first theme park visit of 2026. Sorry you roller coaster fans, it's been so long. Here we go, we're back on the trail for this season and I am joined by the #1 legend himself, Mr. Dawson. So yeah, take his advice, come aboard, we're going to take you on rides as well. And yeah, it's all about the ride to happiness, I think. So as you can see, we're in the park. So there's a bit of music going on in the background, so I'm just going to keep talking. As I said, lovely plaza entrance. On previous visits to the park, as you come in, you've got all this. You've got the Plops Hotel right behind. What up? one day I will, enjoy your trip. Miller moment straight away, hasn't took long.
Chers visiteurs, dans quelques instants commencera le spectacle Pumba Amico au théâtre du cirque Pumba. À tout de suite.
I'm ready for this.
I am too. Here we go, first coaster of the year.
Here we go.
It had to be this, didn't it? Oh yeah! Yeah, it's becoming a bit of a theme, but first wooded of the year, 2026, decided the ride, GCI. I think Matt refers to that as the car park coaster. So you've got the little charming carousel in front, little animals on there. Ready?
Car park coaster.
So it's time to do the Dragon powered coaster here at Plopsaland, Japan. Yeah, the Dragon's operating, but unfortunately the dyno's not. I'm gutted about this because I love this log flume, an old school Mac. Oh well, done it before.
This looks a bit high, this, mate. Here we go. About time.
going. We're going. Oh! We are going.
Come on, turn round, 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 turn round. Yes! Go! Go!
Hey! First time on the GoPro, let's go!
Make a loop!
On-park dining for you here, so we have a nice Dutch sausage there, a little bit of Stella left from the pint, and look at this, Plopsaland's 25th anniversary IPA. Oh, I'll have some of that. And then outside, I don't know if you can quite catch it out the window, you've got the water birdies, which I'm going to go on in a bit. So verdict, the on-park wining and dining, sausage, lush. That IPA is lush and all, yeah. Yeah, he's digging again, he's good at that, isn't he?
I'm just building some new footings for an hypercoaster. Going.
So what you have here is a ride that I've, well, if it's been here before, I've never come across it. I'll get back to you regarding ride tap and who manufactures it, because I can't even see it. But yeah, a good fun on there. Like a little junior, well, stop spin, innit, really? Whoa, so bringing up the day, I am done, I am suitably done. Matt, sum up please.
Oh, do you know when somebody says, like, oh, it's incredible, and you're like, it can't be that good, it can't be that good. That is that good, and then a bit more. And we've just done back-to-back rides on that, and it's so re-rideable as well, but it's incredible.
So anyway, hope you've enjoyed it, hope you enjoyed my filming. Thanks Plopsaland for getting back to me.
I'm sorry if I swore.
We'll let you off, we'll let you off. For getting back. If you're doing things on GoPros, just do it on your chest mount. We have asked, and yeah, you know, they're good enough to let us do that, so we've got to respect that and do things right. Anyway, the next video, I don't know where the next video is going to be. I'm going to try and put a little bit Liseberg, yeah, I've got Swindon for football, so like other bits and bobs. The next theme park one will be Liseberg, to celebrate this dude's birthday.
Special guest appearance as well.
Yes, yeah. So anyway guys, thanks for watching, hope you've enjoyed this one, and I will catch you very soon. Bye. Brilliant.